multi-billion-dollar secret missile city. Today, we explore the immense scale behind the production of the Fattah-2 Hypersonic Missile.
All right, team, let's clear this section before the next shipment arrives.
Copy that. Moving to Station 4.
To build the Fattah-2, this titanium is superheated to 1,500 degrees Celsius.
Impact in 5 seconds. Maintain pressure.
Readings confirmed. The shell meets all hypersonic precision standards.
Lifting the vat. Clear below.
Flow rate is stable. Maintain visual on the fill line.
Density check at 90% capacity.
Checks initiated. Temperature holding steady at 25 degrees.
Confirmed. Pressure levels nominal. Continue mixing sequence.
All right, tilt the vat slowly. Maintain steady flow.
Flow rate stable at 0.9.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Bring it in slowly, watch the alignment. Right there. Pressing down.
Pile secured at position 4. Confirmed. Proceed to next segment.
Vacuum holding steady at 10 to the -5 torr.
Acknowledged. Beginning the temperature ramp sequence.
Casing is secure. Moving into the autoclave.
Temperature and pressure confirmed. Initiating curing sequence.
Check the fiber alignment on the outer casing. Measurements steady at 0.05.
Copy that. Increasing rotation speed.
Routing complete on the fiber optics. Section cleared.
The surface finish is confirmed. The intake is free of defects.
Position looks good. Confirmed fit. Proceed with securing. Routing complete on the main bus.
Confirmed. Connection check is good.
Status green. System nominal.
Installation complete. Verify inertial stability.
Telemetry nominal. Values confirmed. Sequence locked.
Gyroscope alignment holding steady. Copy that.
Commencing inertial calibration sequence.
Final mating checks are good.
Confirmed perfect alignment on all axes.
Roger that. Releasing tension now.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pins on the port side. We are green for contact.
Final measurement checked. It meets hypersonic standards. Scan complete. The measurements are confirmed and within tolerance.
Lowering to position. 1 meter to contact.
Roger, steady as she goes. Contact confirmed, setting down.
All systems confirmed. Preparing for silo movement.
Routing complete on the fiber optics. Section cleared.
Confirm green on the alignment.
Green confirmed. Lifting steady.
Approaching drop point, all clear below.
Verification complete. We have perfect alignment. Alignment is good. Proceed with insertion.
Confirmed. Engaging locking mechanism.
Lower slowly, hold position at the mark. Steady, steady, clear on the left.
Bolts secured on manifold 5.
Confirmed. Ready for next sequence.
Alignment is green. Send it down.
Roger that. Engaging heavy wrench now.
Cradle positioned at the launch shaft. Final lock sequence initiated.
Confirmation received. The weapon is secure.
Keep it coming, slow and steady. Watch the starboard alignment.
Looks good from here. Wheels are set.
Engaging hydraulics now. Clear the platform.
Final checks complete. Team, report status.
All points secured, Foreman. Green for transition.
Acknowledged. Initiate vertical lift sequence.
Hold. Slow to 5%.
Confirmed, slowing to 5%. Watch the starboard side.
Sprawling underground complex dedicated to the Fattah-2.
We have 2 inches clearance on the starboard fin. Confirmed speed reduction to 0.5 meters per second.
Confirmed. Reducing speed now.
The Fattah-2 represents the pinnacle of hypersonic technology, built right here in Missile City. We are proud to showcase this achievement. This is the $20 billion secret missile city, a facility so vast it allows the full realization of We have stabilization at 90% vertical.
Locking clamps engaging now.
Cradle aligned. Proceeding with lock sequence.
Status green. Missile secured in the silo. Status check. All systems green.
Telemetry stable.
Weapons hot. Go for launch, Commander. Final locking mechanism disengaged. Hatch clear.
Confirmed. Proceeding to next phase.
Welcome to the $20 billion secret missile city. Today, we explore the immense scale behind the production of the Fattah-2 Hypersonic Missile. The Fattah-2 represents the pinnacle of hypersonic technology, built right here in Missile City. We are proud to showcase this achievement.
Power sequence initiated. We have green on Sector 4.
All systems nominal. Missile is ready for launch protocol.
And there it is! Subscribe now!
The Fattah-2 is a masterpiece of engineering, representing a $20 billion effort. Subscribe for more world-first reveals.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to VO3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy-friendly content creation.